Hey, gearheads, welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 6 best budget dash cam that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. And smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started.
Autoverse Authority, where passion meets performance. Number 6.
In our list, the number 6 product name is Nextbase 122-Cam. The Nextbase 122-Cam is my perfect driving companion, offering essential features with simplicity and reliability. With 722 HD recording at 30 frames per second, it captures all the key moments on the road with decent clarity, making it a great entry-level option. Moreover, the exclusive Click-and-Go Pro-Powered mount is a game changer. Its magnetic connectors make installation and removal effortless, so I can set it up and go without a hassle. The high-precision G-sensor is a lifesaver, as it ensures important footage is securely saved during unexpected incidents. The intelligent parking mode is a fantastic bonus. It keeps an eye on my car when parked, recording any bumps or movement, which gives me added peace of mind. The 2-inch IPS screen makes viewing and managing footage easy with clear and vivid playback. Pros: affordable and usable. Magnetic mount for quick setup. Parking mode for vehicle monitoring. G-sensor protects vital footage. Cons: limited to 720p resolution. Lacks advanced features like GPS or app connectivity.
Number 5.
In our list, the number 5 product name is Rove R24K Pro Dash Cam. When I started using the Rove R24K Pro Dash Cam, it completely transformed my driving experience. The 2160p UHD recording captures every detail with clarity, whether it's license plates or road signs. With a 150-degree wide-angle lens and advanced night vision, it's perfect for both daytime drives and nighttime adventures. Additionally, the built-in GPS and real-time speed tracking on the 2.4 IPS screen are game changers. I loved how easy it was to view, download, and share videos through the 5G Wi-Fi and free Rove app. Plus, the over-the-air updates keep the dash cam running smoothly. What sets it apart is the custom 24-hour parking mode. Whether you use time-lapse, motion detection, or collision detection, it ensures your car is monitored even when parked. However, note that the hardwired kit is sold separately. So the Rove's 4K live view and parking guard features for detail. Built-in GPS tracks speed, routes, and location. 5G Wi-Fi and app integration makes sharing videos effortless. Advanced parking mode with multiple detection options. Cons:
Number 4.
in our list, the number 4 product name is Nextbase 622 GW Dash Cam. When I started using the Nextbase 622 GW Dash Cam, I instantly noticed its superior 4K recording quality at 30 fps. The clarity is remarkable, capturing even the smallest details like license plates and road signs. With options for 14.4 tip at 60 fp and 1080p at 120 fp, I can easily tailor the settings to my needs. Moreover, the built-in What Through Words integration is a lifesaver. It pinpoints my exact location globally, even offline, making it invaluable during emergencies. The image stabilization ensures smooth and clear footage even on bumpy rides, and the super slow motion feature helps me review critical details effortlessly. I was impressed by its enhanced night vision and extreme weather mode, which deliver clear recordings in low light or foggy conditions. Alexa integration is another standout feature, letting me control smart devices, get directions, or even listen to audiobooks hands-free while driving. And to the Gration Pros, 4K UHD recording for unmatched video clarity. Words integration for precise global location. Enhanced night vision and weather mode for all conditions. Alexa built in for seamless hands-free functionality. Rear camera module sold separately for dual-angle recording. Learning the advanced features might take some time for beginners.
Number 3.
In our list, the number 3 product name is Garmin Dashcam. When I installed the Garmin Dashcam Live, I instantly felt more secure on the road. It's 14 for DVHD video quality, paired with a 140 deg lens, and Garmin Clarity HDR delivers crisp footage in any lighting condition. With its always-on LTE connection, I can access live views and share videos anytime through the Garmin Drive app. Subscription required. Additionally, the vehicle surveillance features are a game changer. The parking guard and theft alerts notify me of incidents even when I'm away, providing unparalleled peace of mind. I love the voice control, which allows me to save videos or take snapshots without distraction. Furthermore, the automatic upload to Garmin's secure online vault ensures my videos are always backed up and accessible.
Number 2.
In our list, the number 2 product name is Garmin Dashcam Mini 3. When I installed the Garmin Dashcam Mini 3, I was amazed by its ultra-compact key-size design. It sits discreetly on my windshield, providing crisp 1080p HD video with a 140-degree field of view. Whether in bright daylight or low light, the built-in Clarity polarizer ensures glare-free and detailed recordings. Additionally, the automatic recording feature saves videos of any detected incidents with date and time, offering peace of mind. Paired with the Garmin Drive app, I can easily access saved clips or use advanced features like live view and parking guard with a subscription. Moreover, the voice control function is a lifesaver for hands-free operation. I can save video clips or toggle audio recording with simple spoken commands. It's perfect for those busy commutes.
Number 1.
In our list, the number 1 product name is Nextbase IQ Dashcam. When I installed the Nextbase IQ 4K Smart HD Dashcam, I immediately felt a new level of control and security on the road. Its stunning 4K resolution captures even the tiniest details, while the built-in infrared cabin camera at 14 4-tip ensures extra protection inside my vehicle. Whether parked or driving, I can count on it for crystal clear footage. Additionally, the SmartSense parking feature is a game changer. With its AI-profound spatial awareness and instant threat alerts, I can monitor movement around my car and take action before something happens. Plus, the Guardian mode lets me set speed and location limits, offering peace of mind when someone else drives my car. Furthermore, I was impressed with the witness mode. Just saying start witness mode in a risky situation locks onto the incident and shares live footage with a trusted contact. Knowing I'm never truly alone while driving is incredibly reassuring. Perosi, 4K resolution with front and rear coverage. Live view via the Nextbase IQ app for remote monitoring. Emergency SOS and witness mode for enhanced safety. Consents. Some features, like RoadWatch AI, are still upcoming. Requires reliable connectivity for advanced features.
Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Bye.